You know, usually when we picture tech dominance, we imagine like a walled garden, a dominant smartphone, or a search engine, something safely contained behind a screen.
Right, exactly. Something you could just, turn off when you're done with it.
But stepping into the AI landscape right now, I mean, that screen is totally gone. We're looking at this ecosystem wiring itself directly into the physical foundation of the world.
Yeah, it's literally escaping the computer.
Exactly. And looking at the stack of news we're diving into today, well, welcome to our deep dive into the weekly AI news summary for the week ending March 22, 2026, presented on behalf of AIPOD. We're synthesizing this massive week into one central theme, which is the battle for control.
Oh, absolutely. I
Yeah.
mean, from classified Pentagon clouds to stair-climbing robots, it is all one continuous story.
Okay, so let's unpack this stack of news because you really can't control AI without controlling the raw materials, right?
Yeah.
And that means compute power.
Yeah, the base layer is raw infrastructure. I mean, look at Nebius. They're raising $3.75 billion in debt this week. They're what people are calling a neocloud.
Wait, a neocloud?
Yeah, so instead of just renting generic server space, they are architecting data centers from the ground up to handle the massive thermal and power loads that AI GPUs need, which is, exactly how they just secured those huge infrastructure deals with Meta.
Oh, wow. And meanwhile, ByteDance is quietly building its own massive NVIDIA cluster just to, completely escape reliance on external cloud providers.
Right, they want total independence.
Right. And on a national scale, China is heavily accelerating its self-reliance in chips and software to withstand global export restrictions. It's like a geopolitical digital land grab.
It really is.
But wait, is hoarding all these chips totally useless if you don't have the brains to run them?
Oh, 100%. The bottleneck has completely shifted from hardware to wetware. I mean, look at what Microsoft did this week.
Right, the Cove AI thing.
Exactly. They didn't just acquire Cove AI's product. They hired the entire team outright. It's a full-on AI talent war.
So they just swallowed the team whole.
Yeah, think of it less like a corporate acquisition and more like an organ transplant. They surgically extracted Cove's highly specialized brain trust to inject directly into Microsoft's internal enterprise tools.
Okay, so you secure the hardware, you extract the talent. The next fight is over who holds the highly sensitive data, right?
Yes, and we're seeing a fascinating split here. Mistral just launched Forge. This allows entities like the European Space Agency and Ericsson to build models from scratch, entirely on-premise.
So they want ultimate privacy, like locking it in their own basement.
Exactly. Because if you are the European Space Agency, you absolutely cannot risk leaking proprietary spacecraft designs into a public model. Forge gives them that absolute data sovereignty.
But on the flip side, OpenAI just modified its exclusive Microsoft agreement so it could partner with AWS. And this is specifically to handle classified U.S. government operations.
Right, filling that void after Anthropic lost its Pentagon contract.
Yeah. So what does this all mean for privacy? Are we seeing this weird split where private corporations want their data locked in the basement, but the military is suddenly trusting the public cloud?
Well, it shows that for high-stakes government contracts, massive cloud distribution is still the ultimate kingmaker. Private companies want their data on-premise, sure. But when you need to deploy classified intelligence tools globally, the unmatched distribution power of a hyperscaler like AWS forces even the tightest exclusive partnerships to bend.
Which brings us to how this massive infrastructure actually impacts your daily life. Because AI is actively rewiring business and the physical world.
Oh, big time. It's actively replacing traditional sales funnels with these autonomous revenue engines. They use predictive analytics to just completely drive growth.
Right. And traditional sales require a human to read a room. But these revenue engines ingest millions of data points to predict the exact day a company will need a new software solution. Then they automatically pitch them. But here is where it gets really interesting for the physical world.
The River Robotics acquisition.
Yes. Amazon just acquired River Robotics to integrate stair-climbing delivery robots for complex, urban last-mile automation. Think about the synergy there.
It's wild. The technology has moved from predicting text in a chat window to actually moving physical mass to your door.
Exactly. An autonomous AI revenue engine predicts what you want to buy, targets you, and closes the sale. And then an automated robot literally climbs your apartment stairs to hand it to you. AI is a fully integrated supply chain now.
Yeah, from classified servers down to the concrete stairs at your front door.
Which leaves you with this to mull over. If AI is now successfully automating both the psychological persuasion of corporate sales and the physical friction of complex urban deliveries, well, what happens to the human economy when both the desire to buy and the physical fulfillment are completely removed from human hands?